Hello, here's your Montana Weather Hazards Briefing. For updates, please visit the National Weather Service webpage or contact any of the Montana National Weather Service offices. Here are the key points for the expected weather this week. The overall biggest and highest concern this week will be the very cold temperatures. We are expecting widespread temperatures of 20 below or colder over much of the state. This cold snap could last the entire week in some areas. Additionally, some light snow will affect areas around the Arctic boundary from Monday through Friday. There is low confidence at this time for a more widespread moderate snowfall next weekend. Additionally, blowing snow or ice jams could affect portions of the state as well. This is a summary slide of potential hazard this week. Feel free to pause this slide for further review. The overall main weather concern this week will be the very cold air temperatures and wind chill values. This image shows the forecast lows for Thursday morning. However, temperatures close to these values are expected most days from Monday through Saturday. Wind chill values will make it feel even colder. Wind chill highlights will likely be needed for many areas east of the divide for much of this week. If skies become clear at night, there is potential temperatures could be 10 or more degrees colder than currently forecast. With these cold temperatures, frostbite or hypothermia can occur in just minutes. This image shows the overall weather pattern for Montana from Monday through Friday. With the Arctic cold front stalled out over southwest Montana, periods of light snow will be possible throughout the week, generally within about 100 miles either side of the frontal boundary. There is a low probability that a snow squall could develop, resulting in a brief period of heavy snowfall and very low visibility. Here's a look at the current snow depth across the region. Overall, much of Montana now has some snow on the ground. The fresh snow could lead to avalanche highlights this week. With a snowpack across much of the state, combined with increasing winds later this week, areas of blowing snow are possible. The blowing snow could cause some impacts along the Rocky Mountain front and in the Livingston area. With the very cold temperatures, there is the potential for ice jams to develop on rivers. The main point on ice jams is that they are unpredictable in how they develop or break up. Next weekend, some forecast models are forecasting a more widespread moderate snowfall across much of Montana. However, other forecast models have little or no precipitation. Thus, confidence in heavier snowfall next weekend is low at this time. Please watch for updates from your local National Weather Service office later this week if this storm develops. Here is the latest Drought Monitor map. With the recent snowfall, some minor improvements are possible. Overall, the snowfall from the past few days has brought much of the Montana snowpack back up to near normal. The highest precipitation is expected over the western and southern sections of the state this week. At this time, little to no precipitation is expected in northeast Montana. In looking at the next 6 to 10 days, colder than average temperatures are favored over the state, along with higher than normal chances for precipitation. February is one of the driest months, and it does not take much precipitation to be above normal. Here's a summary slide of key points. Continue to monitor updates through the week from your local National Weather Service office on the very cold and potential snowfall for next weekend.